Hi, friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So, today's project I want to share with you are these super cute pop sockets. So, I love how these turned out. And if you can see, it says, "When life gives you lemons, just add tequila." And these are so fun. So I'm going to attach the video of doing these, but I just want to tell you a couple things first. Okay, so I made these with, I got this package from Amazon, and I actually originally got these to make to use for like the tops on my tumblers, but some of the pieces are a lot bigger than, I wanted. So I thought, what can I do with these? And I realized, wow, these would make super cute pop sockets. So they're like this plastic, and the set, I don't have it in here, but the set also comes with a package of some ice cubes. So that's what these are. These are these lemon slices, and I'm going to make some with the limes. And I just, I put epoxy on it first to give it, a nice smooth texture before I added any of the words. Now, the writing is so small, so what I decided to do to make it easy on myself, I actually did the writing using print and cut. Now, if you're going to do this, so if you're going to do anything with writing small like this using print the cut, so of course I didn't want to cut out each individual letter. That's why it was hard. So what I did was I printed it on clear sticker paper. So if you're going to do something like this with print and cut using letters, make sure that you take off, sorry, I keep hitting it to trying to be close here. Make sure that you take off the bleed. So if you leave the bleed on, it will all just mix in together and your words won't be crisp. So you got to take the bleed off, okay? So, but these turned out really cute. I used 11, oh my goodness, a yellow foam gripper, again from Glitter Chimp. And I really like these. I think they turned out super cute. They were super easy and just really fun. So if you're interested, I will attach the video of making them. And listen, friends, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Thank you again for stopping in. Always a pleasure to see you. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the night. I'll see you later. Bye. All right, so here are my little pieces of lemon. I mixed up my epoxy. Again, it's the Pro Marine Part A and Part B. Just mixed a small amount, and I am just covering over these little lemon slices. And right now I'm just doing the top of them. They have a little bit of a rough texture. So I want to make it nice and smooth before I put my wording on. That way there's no bumps or anything in it, and it just looks nice and even. So I'm just going to cover them both, and I'm going to let them sit for about 4 hours before I put my decals on. All right, so this mat is fantastic. It has these raised pieces on it. So anytime I'm doming things or, just stuff that I'm not necessarily doing the bottom of the piece, but I want to be able to do the sides, I like to put it on here because that way anything that drips down, it doesn't sit on the bottom of my piece. You know what I mean? So here are my decals. Like I said, I did them with print and cut. And again, to get the crisp letters, make sure that you take the bleed off, especially doing small ones like this. So I just mixed up some more epoxy, again, the Pro Marine, and I'm going to cover the top of the decal. Now, as I'm trying to put the ice on, it sort of, slip and slides around. So what I did was I ended up just waiting, and after I came back out after about an hour. This was sitting outside. After about an hour of it sitting, then I came back and I just set my ice on top of it. That way it was thicker and, sticky, and it was able to hold the ice to keep it from slipping. I had wanted to sort of like sit it up on its side, but I really couldn't get it to sit up the way I wanted it to. So I ended up, just sort of placing them how I thought looked okay. And here are my pieces all done. All I have left to do is add my phone gripper. So I used yellow ones again. These are from Glitter Chip, and just put a little bit of epoxy and then set those down on it. Make sure they don't slip out of place. Listen,